Welcome to Semstar online classes, students. Students, as you know that we were discussing chapter being verbs. So today I'm going to discuss one exercise related to this chapter, exercise 7b on page number 46. So be ready. Was and were. Let's take the first one. How many are there? 15 only. So the first one is they dash drinking juice. They dash drinking juice. So here the word they is indicating or telling us that we are talking about plural nouns. So we will say they were drinking juice and not they was. Was is used for singular nouns and they means we are talking about plural nouns. So we will write here they were. Okay, children? Let's take the second one. Now you remember, children, I told you that was is the past tense of is and am. So here we are talking about the past tense. Yesterday means we are talking about past tense. So here what will you use? Definitely am we are not going to use because we are talking about past tense only na. तो क्या होगा? We will say I was so happy yesterday and not I am. Okay, don't get confused, children, because you are talking about yesterday past tense. So we are using was here and not am. If it was written here today, then we would have taken am. I am so happy today. Okay, so we are talking about yesterday, so we will say I was so happy yesterday. Let's take the third one. You dash at the park an hour ago. Again, for you we use verb. Okay, so we will write verb. Fourth one, he dashed a police officer. He dashed a police officer for 25 years. For 25 years. So he is a singular noun. Singular. We are talking about one person. So we will write was. He was a police officer for 25 years. And don't forget to put a full stop at the end of every sentence. Okay. Fifth one. We dash made to stand in a line. Yes. We means plural. We were. Isn't it? I hope, children, you are understanding why we are using were and where we are using was and why we are using was at that place. Okay, so let's move to sixth one. What is the sixth one? old dash Richard last year? Richard here is a singular noun, so we will say how old was Richard? 7th. There were 3 donuts left. Donuts means we are talking about 3 things. So we will say were. There were 3 donuts left. 8th one. She dash with her friend. She dash with her friend at home. She was, isn't it, children? She was with her friend at home. 9th one. The satisfied with the students' work. The teacher was, because we are talking about one single teacher, so we will say the teacher was satisfied. Yes, the teacher was satisfied with the students' work. Yes. Let's take the 10th one. Tenth one is my brothers hungry. My brothers were hungry. Why? Because we are talking about brothers and not one brother. Yes. So now let's move on to 11th one. Yes. The twins means plural. Sorry. The twins were wearing the same color. 12th. Amara What is the sentence? Amara was, isn't it? Amara is a one girl, so we will write was. 13th. Aunt here is a singular noun, so we will write my aunt was good at sewing. 14th one. Let's rub this. Only two are left now. Let's take the 14th one. Grandfather is a singular noun, so we will write here was. Grandfather was at the supermarket last evening. And children, the last one is the postmen were made to deliver letters, because here we are talking about plural noun, that is postmen and not postman. So it will be were. The postmen were made to deliver letters. Okay children, I hope this exercise is clear to all. So keep studying children, and thank you.